How to manage autosave on Word Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage autosave on Word Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Word and now click here, this one, and then click settings, and now all you need to do is just go down and you will find this one here, autosave. If you want to turn it off, just click on it, and as you see autosave has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just one click. And that's it for today's video. That's how to say to save auto commands on Word. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.